Okay, so let's go ahead and set up the properties for the player, the objects, and their variables. Inside of our update, we're just going to go ahead and call it directly. We'll use it here. Again, this is probably not the best way to do it, but in terms of performance, but it's a simple way for the project we currently have. We'll do one, just say display properties. So the display properties is going to show all of our objects elements. So for instance, our player health, we can access the text, which is, if you notice right here, so the object's text right here. We're going to say player health text equals, and what it's going to equal is going to be the player, the hero's actual property. So we're going to say hero dot health, and the health itself, being an integer, we want to go ahead and set it to a string. So we'll say to string. And we want to do the same thing for the other ones. Now, if we do it this way, just remember, the only variable it's going to show is the number. If you actually want to have a text part displayed with it, remember that you can say equals player. We'll actually even change it up from the one we have. We'll say player health and plus. So this is going to add this one and that one to the string. And now we'll just do the same thing for the others. We'll just say magic orbs dot text is going to equal magic orbs, and we'll go ahead and do a plus, and then the magic orbs, the amount is inside of hero, so we'll say hero dot magic orb amount to string. And then the last one we'll do is give me the turret. So we'll say turret health text is going to equal turret health. And the turret health is going to come from our turret. So that's the turret script, which means we can just say turret.health to string. So at this point, when we save it, when we play it, it's going to constantly get an update. So whatever happens inside the scene, if anything changes, it's going to change the variables there. So let's go ahead and check it out, see if everything works out. Alright, so if you notice, the health changes, the updates happen. When I'm shooting, it's going down. If I shoot the bad guy, he gets hit. If he hits me, alright, so we have quite a lot of things going on right there. We've got what looks like and appears to be an intelligent bad guy. We have a set of bullets being shot at each other. We have an update in our GUI. Using Unity's new GUI system, everything's already auto-anchored and cornered and set properly. And now we have a game over because I've lost all my health and I've lost all my magic orbs, so I can't shoot at him. Alright, so we'll go ahead and stop on this one. Be sure that you save where you're at. This finishes off our basic GUI system. It finishes off just the standard game manager so that it knows when something changes and who changed and updates it into the GUI. We have our weapons, we have our reactions, we have our bullets, everything to make a basic system for a game.